Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, March 10th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please post attendance. Teachers, also please check your Power Teacher Pro. Make sure that your grades have synced. If you are having trouble syncing one of your courses, please let me know before next week so that we can get that situation fixed. Also, Book Fair Preview Day is Thursday and will start on Friday, and it will go through the following Thursday. Late duty today is Miss Barnes, and tomorrow is Miss Waller. We have Read Across America Week. We are celebrating Dr. Seuss's birthday. Today is Fox and Socks. Wear your crazy socks. Tomorrow is Cat in the Hat, and wear any kind of hat. Important dates. Friday, March 11th is Out of Uniform for Jump Rope for Heart. The coaches have some shirts they have passed out for that. Monday, March 14th is ACAP faculty meeting. Tuesday, March 15th is blood drive. Wednesday, March 16th, spring pictures. Thursday, March 17th is the end of the third quarter. Friday, March 18th, teacher workday, no school for students. Monday, March 21st, ACAP alternate and summative testing. Fourth quarter begins. Tuesday, March 22nd, math PLT. Wednesday, March 23rd, HMH representative on campus. Friday, March 25th, Feel Good Friday. Tuesday, March 29th, PST. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday.